think, in your opinion, what is?
So, I mean, right now, just Instagram as a whole is very reel focused. So, just getting inundated with a lot of content that are reels more so than photos. And so,
Right.
for us in the second go around, it was part of it for us was having to make a lot of real content. And so, really forcing myself into the mindset of, hey, when I'm out here washing a car or doing a full detail, instead of just taking a second to take a photo of something, I'm having to think a little more, okay, how can I set up some shots to make an engaging reel? And so,
Okay.
that part, and then just the consistency. I mean,
Right.
anybody can make content with any kind of camera. I mean, whether it's your phone or it's a $4,000 camera, you name it, it doesn't matter. You can, as long as you have a camera, the old photography saying is the best camera you have is the one you have on you. So it's like
Right.
whatever you have, have your phone, bust out your phone. Cool. Get a quick 15-second clip of you washing a wheel. That could be it. Throw that on
Yeah.
a reel, throw it with some music, you got a reel. And so I think not overcomplicating it, and then just being consistent with it. So creating a good quality reel and being consistent with your posting.
So let's go into the future, Hunter.